Let's listen to the judge and what he actually said, Michael, as to why he was not letting it in. Michael Jaafar, the judge says it's not relevant and it confuses the issues for this jury.
The question is not whether or not it's relevant, it's whether or not the relevancy of it outweighs the prejudicial nature of it. And so it's definitely relevant. And definitely when Zachary Hughes testifies, not only is it relevant, it's the entire case. What if this completely negates his murderous intent, right? This completely negates premeditation. If what we think is going to happen actually happens, which is Zachary Hughes going to testify and say, I was defending this young girl, not only is this relevant, it's the entire case. It's like saying that blood is not relevant at that point. Like it's the entire case. So I completely disagree with the judge. I guess I could agree with the judge that it wasn't relevant before the trial started, but by this point, and with the door being opened by the guardian ad litem, it was open and it did become relevant, and they did open the door to it, but the judge still balked and said it's still not going to be admissible. But if Zachary Hughes testifies, it's the entire, what's he going to testify for? Why did I commit this murder? Here's the why. I know I did it, but here's why I did it. And it was not premeditated. It was a heat of passion. I was defending a person. You know, maybe this was a manslaughter, voluntary manslaughter. This becomes uber relevant. It's the entire case when Zachary Hughes testifies. Now I know why they dubbed this the trial of the century in South Carolina, because this is a completely macabre situation. I can't even understand it from how bizarre it is.